Hello everybody, I'm back and of course you have been waiting for a video to pop out because it has been 2 months since I've made a video and I'm really sorry about that, and I promise next time I'm never gonna make a video after a whole month. Okay, so I'm back playing this game in Roblox called Don't Press the Button. And this is one of my favorite games when I used to be this used to be one of the first games I used to play, and it's really fun and really funny as well. And I hope you all enjoy it. The thing is about this game is we have to press a button, and they're saying for us, and they're telling us to not press the button, but we want to press the button so we can have a game to play. And then there's gonna be challenges, like for example, we have to avoid some asteroids and crazy stuff. All right, let's get to it. Okie dokie. Now I just got in the game and I don't know what the heck is this, but why is everybody's frozen? I think the internet's bad. Anybody want some money? Why isn't the money coming out? What the heck? Oh, there we go. Yeah, money. Right. Now I like this one. Now, especially with the speed call, I'm even faster. Oh, it looks... What? I pushed my luck. Okay. I can't move the camera. What the heck is this? And jump. 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 Jump! Okay, run. Alright, so the goal of this game is just survive instead of being inside a cube in the sky. I know this one, I wasn't in the cube in the sky because it was a challenge. But this one is just like a game, just have fun with it. I wish if I never turned the camera that way. I'm pushing my luck too hard. Wow, this is... I'm stuck! I want to join the trampoline! Can't be serious, bro. I think there's something wrong. I'm gonna be right back. Okay. Everything is finally back to normal, and oh yay, the low gravity. Now what do I like to do here? Oh man, I missed it. Can't jump high no more. I want to press the button. Okay, I'm supposed to be short, but I'm tall because I like that. Throw them snowballs. Take cover. Throw it on you and everybody I hate. Oh bro, this guy want me. Okay, I better go on full speed ahead. Whoop. You ain't catching me. Jingle bell. I don't like that song. Whoa. Psych. Okay. You can't hit me. Oh, in your face, guys. I didn't lose a single health. Oh, they ain't catching up with me. The easiest way to survive is just stay on top of the thing. See, bald. I want to survive. Well, guys, don't forget to friend me. My name is Million, I'm a trillion. Yeah. Aha! I'm one of the people who survived. Okay, run! I want to press the button, press the freaking button. What the? Wait. The spiky walls are closing in. Oh, no. Oh, hell no. That's the... what? I went through the wall! Yeah, I like it. Yes, I'm not late anymore. Now see, the challenge of this game is you have to make sure you don't fall down. You jump high, you don't see the floor. So the best thing to do is stay near the button. Now that's how you actually think. Wait, this is what I like doing. Yeah, let's throw the money in the air. Yeah, take the money. Oh no, I was supposed to be big for this game. I can't reach the molds because I'm too tall. Look, I can't reach the molds. See, I can't reach it. I can't reach it. I'm too big. See, and the people just do... Oh, wait. I got one. I got one. I got one. I got one little chicken. Oh! Didn't do that. Bye-bye, mole. See you never. Did I do it? I only have one. People will be having 6. I'm staying here because people don't notice this place. Come on, molies. Hey, mole. I'm gonna kill you! And you! Everybody! I can't reach the freaking thing! Oh my god. Oh my goodness. A tall guy has 6. I think I put myself a little bit too much in the back, bro. I can't do anything. I can't even touch the bowl. And of course, I only won by 1, but... What the heck? How's he over there? Okay, press the button. I'm pressing the button. I'm pressing that button right now. Okay, I pressed the button. Oh, time to spam. Click the button. Alright, I'm clicking it. Yeehaw! Spam, click that button right there. People aren't spam clicking the button. Oh my goodness, my friend over here. Oh my god, this is not a good time. Oh my god. No, I feel so bad for him. I can't really play with him right now. Oh my god, I gotta... No. I gotta tell him the truth that I'm making a video. Survive it! I'm a pirate, yeehaw! See you in the Simpsons. I'm making a video. I'm dead. Can't go. Everybody get the money in the air. Where did my friend go? Okay, can I join? Sure, you can. Sure. Now this one, why always people have to talk about Squid Game? Because we played red light, green light. Green light. You better shut that mush if you want to survive, mister. See, I have the speed core so I can make it in there. What? I stopped. This game be unfair, bro. I'm dead. Rude. Go, Ahmed! Go, Ahmed, go! His actual name is actually Go, Ahmed, go. Joking. His actual name. Go, Ahmed, yay! It's so cringy, but I like it. Oh, not again. I'm going with this mode. Come on, Molly. Prepare. Oh my god. I can't. I'm making a video. Okay. No shift. I can't reach him. God. Just press it. I now see why my friends want to stay short. Why would the creators make the moles this small? Bro, my friend oh, he's still over there. And come on! You did right. Come on. He did. And I don't like it, bro. Bruh. What the heck is that? Get out of my face! Press that button. Score a goal. You know what? I want to knock the goal. I want to knock the ball out of here. Come on, yeehaw! Push. What the heck is wrong with you? Ah! Yeah! No! Why can't it go outside? Wait. Ah! Woo! I'ma go! Go, 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 go. Build, don't sway. No, not happening. Not today. I can't walk this. No one scored. Yay! I like nobody be scoring over there because that. A mysterious level. Look when people say yes. No, you have to press no. Because you know what will happen? You will all be falling down to your doom. That's why you should press no. Look at me. My favorite part. Oh, look. Oh, no. Oh, no. Bye. Slow-mo. Yeah. Okay. Run. Let's go trick-or-treating. Yay. Nobody knocking on that door. No. Yay. We all leaving. Bye-bye. Okay. That's funny. Yeah. Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. Let's go banana. Alright, yeah, bro. Quick, don't move. Don't move the freaking out of your face. Yeah, bro. Can we move? Oh. Alright, let's press that button. Press the button. Go, press the button. Spin the bottle, bro. Spin the bottle. Yeehaw, right? Please tell me it's more than 140. It's gonna be 191 times. What the heck is wrong? No, that's my jewel. Oh, I know where it is. It's somewhere there. It's over there. I know it. I smell it. I found the freaking button. Whee! All right. It's gonna pay with money. Not again. Alright, bro, let's go. Cancel, baby. Says yellow, so wait, baby. Just let us move. My hand just really wants to go on the joystick. Go! Stop the hell running! No, Ahmed! How did I die? What the? Okay. Still alive. Yes! For the play with money. Yes. Yeah, build that base with money. Oh yeah, baby, let's go crazy, let you money. We're rich, all the way. We're rich, we're ratchy. Dodge incoming lasers. Buh. People be surviving, not me. What the heck wrong with these people? Yeah, we got it delivered. Mine blue. Oh, that's easy. Yay. Oh, okay. I thought I was colorblind over there, but I wasn't. She ain't delivering a pizza. Get your own pizza. I'm running it fast as fly. I hate that guy. Speaking of that, I actually wanted to buy something up in the shop. Oh, I get it there, babe. Yeah. Let's hear about it. What the heck? Throw it at him! Bro! You been broed. Dodge it, throw. Dodge and throw. dodge, dodge, fro, dodge, dodge, bro, 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 dodge, 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 fro, 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 fro. Help me, baby! Whee! Throw it at your face! Go, go! No! Yee-hee! Boom! Nuh-uh! That is not gonna help me. No! Bro, just shoot my best friend. I can't do that to him. I usually win in these games. Oh man! Oh man, bruh! Nuh-uh. Okay. Let's go there. Freaking no. What you guys doing with the ball? Do not kick it out of there. Do not. I wanted to fall down, but there's like this force field. Why my friend be faster than me, and I have a speed core, and he has a speed core. Me and Emerson want to be this. Kick it out of there, yeah! Woo. I'm being the goalkeeper. Want to be the goalkeeper. Everybody listen to my guitar. Come on, let's go, 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 go. Bruh, you don't run towards the seeker, you want to ramp from the seeker. I hope the seeker doesn't have a speed. Go on, bring it! Bring it out of here! Where'd you freaking at? Hat! Yeah! I don't trust nobody. Money! Howdy! I don't know, guys, if you know what that means, but it means help! Run as fast as you can. He has a speed coil! Oh my god! It's the noob. He's trying to catch up, but he can't. He's got the speed coil. I'm the only one who'll be surviving! Yeah! Oh, a bomb. Base. Oh wait, what? Oh, I was supposed to push that bomb. That was like, I don't like. My best friend is the seeker. Brr. I'm creepy, bro. I'm so tall. Whoever I see, I am not trusting. Whoever I see with blue hair, I am not trusting him. Because my best friend, blue hair, when I see light coming around the blue hair guy, I am straight out here. Wait, he has a speed coil. He's faster than me. Oh my god, what happened? Bismillah. This is actually kind of scary. Imagine you actually be here. Wait, am I the last one? Bro, if I'm the last one, I'm gonna be real happy. But not very happy for my friend. Okay, I can hear some oofs. Ah! Ah! What is wrong? What is wrong with my freaking thingy? My camera keeps just going dark and wide. Okay. What's happening? Why are people... Okay. Everyone's... Trampoline! How is... Oh, there we go. Yay! Ooh, I'm gonna jump out of the map. Bye-bye, guys. Hey! Alright, guys. See you later. And no. Actually... Yeah. This game is one of my favorite games, and I think you guys didn't enjoy it very much, but I love this game. And make sure you smash that like button and subscribe. See you next time.